Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're like me, someone who values clean lines, repeatable accuracy, and the kind of craftsmanship that turns rough lumber into something refined, then you know the right tools don't just make work easier, they make better results possible. Today, we're diving into a tool that's been making serious waves in both the pro shop and DIY garage, the Kreg 6.5-inch Plunge Cut Track Saw. Priced at $253, it's not an impulse buy, but it's one of those investments that promises to change the way you approach woodcuts. Over the years, I've tested plenty of saws that claim precision, but few deliver it with this level of consistency. This isn't just about swapping out your old circular saw, it's about rethinking how cuts are made. From quick shop builds to fine furniture projects, the demands on accuracy, safety, and portability have never been higher. So let's find out if Kreg's system lives up to the hype and whether it belongs in your tool rotation. Let me tell you, if you're into woodworking, whether you're building furniture, doing cabinetry, or tackling home improvement projects, the Kreg 6.5-inch Plunge Cut Track Saw is a game changer. I've used a variety of circular saws over the years, but this one redefines precision and control. Right out of the box, you can tell it's built like a tank. It has that solid, heavy-duty feel that gives you confidence before you even plug it in. The plunge mechanism is smooth and intuitive, making it easy to start cuts exactly where you want, especially when working on sheet goods or long rip cuts. Pairing it with the 62-inch guide track, that's where the magic really happens. The saw locks onto the track with hardly any play, letting you make clean, straight cuts every single time. For someone like me who values accuracy, especially when dealing with expensive hardwoods like walnut, this kind of consistency is priceless. It's quickly become my go-to tool for any project where a table saw isn't practical or available. One of the standout features for me is the power and cutting capacity. I've used it to cut through 3/4-inch plywood and even 2-inch thick walnut, and it handled both without hesitation. The motor delivers plenty of torque, and the blade maintains speed even under load, which means you're not bogging it down on denser materials. I'll be honest, it's not the lightest saw out there. Some might find it a bit hefty after prolonged use, but that weight actually helps with stability during cuts. The adjustable handle is a small but thoughtful touch. Being 5 feet, 10 inches, I appreciate being able to switch between push and pull strokes. That means I can start a cut on one side, step around, and finish it without awkward repositioning or risk of scarring the workpiece. That kind of flexibility makes a real difference, especially in tight spaces or when working solo. Now let's talk about dust collection, because let's face it, fine wood dust is not just a mess, it's a health hazard. I've connected mine to a shop vacuum, and honestly, I'd say it captures about 80 to 90% of the dust. That's a huge win in my book. After a few hours in the shop, I'm not covered in a fine layer of sawdust, and the air feels noticeably cleaner. That's a big deal if you're like me and spend weekends in the garage turning scraps into something meaningful. That said, the dust system isn't perfect. There's still a bit of blowout, especially on the exit side of the cut. I've found that using painter's tape along the cut line helps reduce tear out and keeps the surface cleaner. It's a small extra step, but it pays off in the final finish. The splinter guard helps too, but it's not foolproof, so don't skip the tape if you're working with delicate or visible grain. In terms of practicality, this saw shines when you're working with sheet goods. I've set up a simple cutting station on the floor of my garage using a sheet of 3/4-inch insulating foam as a backer, and it works like a charm. The track's non-slip pads grip firmly to the material, so I rarely need to clamp it down unless the surface is uneven. That sticky backing is surprisingly effective. One thing to be aware of: the 62-inch track is a bit short for ripping a full 4x8 sheet the long way and slightly overkill for shorter crosscuts. But since I'm working with a compact table saw that limits my capacity, this track saw gets way more use than I ever expected. For smaller shops or DIYers without a full-size table saw, this setup is a massive upgrade in capability. Just a pro tip, if part of the track overhangs the material, use some scrap wood to support it. That keeps everything level and prevents wobble, which is essential for a clean cut. I will say, the saw only works with Kreg's proprietary track system. That's a limitation. It means you can't just swap in another brand's guide rail. But honestly, after using it, I don't mind. The integration between the saw and the track is so seamless that it's hard to imagine another brand matching it. That said, if you're looking to build a full adaptive cutting system, plan on investing in additional tracks and accessories. And while the stock blade is decent, upgrading to a higher quality blade makes a noticeable difference in cut smoothness. Once I swapped it out, the finish was even cleaner, almost glass smooth. These aren't deal breakers, but they're worth considering if you're budgeting for the full system. Overall, is it a little pricey at $253? Yeah, it's not cheap, but when I think about the quality, precision, and time it saves me, especially avoiding rework due to crooked cuts or tear out, I'd buy it again in a heartbeat. It's not just a saw, it's a system that elevates your entire workflow. Whether you're a serious hobbyist or a pro looking for a portable, accurate cutting solution, this tool delivers. The cuts are smoother than anything I've used before, the dust control is solid with a vacuum, and the confidence it gives you in every plunge is unmatched. If you've been on the fence about investing in a track saw, let this be your sign. The Kreg Plunge Cut Track Saw isn't just another tool in the garage, it's become one of my most trusted partners in the workshop. If you're ready to make the cut clean, precise, and confident, then it's time to upgrade your toolkit. Don't let another project suffer from rough edges or shaky lines. Like this video if it helped you, and hit subscribe for more sharp, straight-to-the-point tool reviews. Stay accurate, stay inspired, and keep building something great.